today I'll be cooking pumpkin rice and chicken. So this is my menu for today. I'm gonna put the pot on the fire for the chicken now. So my chicken is in the pot, and here's my pumpkin. This is the pumpkin I get from my garden. I don't know if it's dry because I'm not an expert on pumpkin, but the texture don't look too bad. As I'm going to cook, I'll see how dry it is. So I'm going to start preparing my pumpkin to put in the rice. So I'm going to peel it and cut it and make it cook a little, and then I add the rice after. So I cut my pumpkin. This is what I get out of the pumpkin. I'm not going to make it go to waste. I'm going to use this to make some punch, pumpkin punch. So I'm going to cook the gut of it and the seed and the pumpkin punch. So my chicken is already brown, so I'm going to get it ready now. I'm going to peel my pumpkin. So I cut up some, so I'm going to peel it now. So I cut my pumpkin, so I'm going to put it in the pot to cook now. So guys, I'm washing my rice now. So guys, I'm going to add my salt to the pot. So here's my salt. So I'm going to add my pepper and my thyme and scallion to the pot. So I'm going to let it boil for a while, and then I add my rice. Look at the color of the pumpkin, it's pretty. So I'm going to add my rice now. So guys, I'm going to dish my dinner now. I'm going to add my vegetable. So dinner is almost finished, so I'm going to put the last amount to it. I'm going to add some sauce. Guys, my dinner is ready. The pumpkin was so dry. If it was for my son, I wouldn't find this pumpkin, but I stay and spoil. Yesterday I saw him go and pick it up, and I didn't know that it was there. And trust me, this pumpkin is really, really dry and tastes so good. When I buy a piece of road, you can't walk. There's this pumpkin here. Guys, don't worry about my cocky. I always crow. Each time I try me I'm videoing, always they're close by crowing. And I'm using my phone, so in case you see if camera not steady, it's just my phone I'm using, and I'm holding it with my hands. So please like, share, and subscribe. And I'm going to taste my rice. Guys, my meal is so delicious, and it tastes so nice. So please, I already said it already, like, share, and subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. Okay? Alright. Please enjoy watching.